Hello friends, my name is Anup Gupta and I am working in a MLC company. My wife, she is a doctor. I have a son. He is going to complete his 1 year very soon. We are living in a Vaishali, Ghaziabad. We have recently purchased a home here and we were looking for a AC for our living area. We were so confused as there are a lot of brands of AC are coming in the market. So one day my close friend, he suggests me for this brand Amstrad. Then I searched this brand in YouTube and seen some videos. Then I have decided to purchase this one. I have installed this AC here. I have a drawing room of around area of around 20 by 17 square feet, and I have installed here 1.5 ton AC. Believe me, my friends, I am using this AC in a 26-degree temperature, and it just cool this area within the span of only 10 to 15 minutes maximum. And I am very amazed to see the chilling effect of this AC and the comprehensive warranty which they are giving for 5 years. It is really recommendable. I will surely advise everyone to go with this brand as they are giving a very good AC in a very reasonable price. And yes, I am too much satisfied and I need 2 more AC for my 2 rooms, and I will surely purchase Amstrad AC for those 2 rooms also. Thanks a lot, my friends. Thank you.